Guys, I'm back again with another website that can literally pay you so much in addition to the promotion of the free traffic that it brings to you for simply posting articles on their platform. This website wasn't one I realized until now. I saw it on a website on Branson Tay's YouTube videos, and I went to check it out because he said that the website had traffic, organic traffic, and if you wanted to post articles on making money online, you could simply go there and post these articles. And since I was a Make Money Online crazy fan, I went there to promote my free article sign up link, and then I saw that for you to upload your link, you can charge your viewers to pay to see your article. Guys, this is crazy because literally someone that posted on the forum a few hours ago had about 125k views on his thread, and there's really so much potential on this platform. And for you to find out the name of the platform, you have to wait to the end of this video because I'm going to be revealing the name of this platform. But basically, this platform is a Make Money Online platform, meaning you are only entitled to post articles based off of making money online. And guys, you know I'm a crazy fan for making money online, so that's no problem for me. I have a warehouse of Make Money Online articles waiting for me to post up there. And then I didn't really want to use this website as a Make Money Online scheme, but Branson Tay promoted this website as a free traffic source. It's a forum, and I didn't know that I could actually pay people or I could actually make people pay credits to see my thread. And this is a very huge potential because if you're offering value, people would surely want to give the credit that the forum gives them for free to see your article. And when your credit sums up, you can withdraw your money. Guys, isn't it crazy? It's really crazy because I literally found out about it just now, and I decided to make this video, guys, because I'm really excited about the potential. And I've been looking for different websites until I found out that writing is the best, to my own opinion. Writing is the best freelance job out there. I've said it severally in my videos, and if you've not seen my videos on the best strategies to make money online as a freelance writer, please watch that video. I'll link it down in the description. But aside that, I believe that writing has so much potential, and apart from just sending your articles or waiting on Fiverr or even being paid for the work you render, content marketing is a very hot demand job. And for them to produce your content, you have to be a content creator, and a content creator is basically a writer because writers create content. Are you guys understanding what I'm saying? Because without content, you cannot market most of the products, and e-commerce is nothing without content. So guys, I really think anyone can write. You just have to know what you want to write about. You decide your niche and just write about it. The reason why I'm so pumped up about this whole writing stuff is because not only does this platform pay you, other platforms as well pay you to write. Reddit pays their writers. I believe HubPage pays their writers, and all of these websites are for free, guys. You know I'm all about beginner, and everything I post on this YouTube channel is beginner friendly. I tried out HubPage, and literally when you meet their recommendation of articles that you can post on their website, you can literally run ads on your blog that the HubPage hosts for you. Guys, there's really so much potential if you're a writer, and if you've not started writing, please unlock that potential in you because I believe in you that you can write. I didn't know I could write not until recently, about 2 years ago, and it has really been really amazing writing. That because you can literally do nothing without content. Everything you need is with content. Advertising content, e-commerce content. And guys, please, you need to start writing. And so now we're coming to the end of the video. I'm going to be revealing these websites to you, and please, if you're not a Make Money Online crazy fan, leave this video right now. I'm just kidding, but if you're a Make Money Online fan like me, please let me know down in the comments below because I'm really pumped up right now. And so the name of the website is Trendri. Trendri.com, and it's a really amazing website. I really love this website because there is no so much hindrance like Quora. Quora really drives me crazy because there is so much limitations to me as a writer, and so I don't really love using Quora. But this website is a really huge potential for writers, especially in the make money online niche. So guys, please go ahead, try this website, tell me what you feel, because your guy literally never posts scam websites here. I am sure of this website. Is a forum that has so many people. Now you have so many potential traffic, and if you have a YouTube channel just like me, you can literally post or make articles promoting your YouTube videos, or make articles promoting the affiliate links that you have, and you post it on the website, give value, and ask people to click on your link to get more value. Guys, I really appreciate you for clicking this video. I hope it adds value to you, and please, let's go and make money and grow. Of course, click on the first link down in the description. I have 100 plus free websites for you to download free articles for you to make money online, and also keep waiting on this channel